I got 4 in the camera coming at you. Okay, come right. Pull up, here we go. See what you got. Copy. You're ready, get ready to pull to the left. 1, 2, 3. Go, start turning. Lights on. Right alone. Go get him. Good job, just keep pulling just as much as you can. Perfect. Okay, we'll do the low yo-yo. Drive it right on up there and shoot him. Come left a little bit. Good job, good job. Keep coming left. He's not pulling hard enough. We're getting him. Got it. You've got it. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Squeeze trigger. Tracking. Good smoker off, right? Good job, man. Come right. Not pulling as hard as you are. That's good. Okay, come left a little bit.
I lost him.
Okay, you're out right 3. Visual. I'm ready when you are.